So a little update video. We are in the process of putting up the paint booth. And the last time we had the booth up, we had it stopped to the right of this refrigerator. This time we're going about 4 feet farther, and there's the heat, and I'll show you the heat source in a minute, but that will give us a little bit more width in the photo booth, paint booth. So we got the plastic down, and then the 2x4s. We use this plastic here to put the 2x4s up. And then we got that tube steel to hang stuff. Last time we hung the wheels, and we'll hang the fenders, the doors this time. So as far as our heat source is concerned, it's really, I'm doing some sandblasting. And there's the front grill. Naturally, there's the truck. So it was about 22 degrees out this morning, and here you can see 70 degrees inside here. And as far as heat is concerned, we got this wood burning furnace. So this is Lynn's shop. And then the duct work. So it's nice and toasty inside. Just a little bit of an update. Here's the doors I showed you on the previous video. And I'm gonna wrap it up, but just wanted to give you a quick update. Catch you on the next one. So that was a kind of a brief shop tour, and now you can see the paint booth is up, and we're ready to start painting. We got plenty of stuff to paint, but as I mentioned earlier, to the right of that refrigerator, that red refrigerator right there, that's where we had it on the first time set up, and we were struggling, or Lynn was struggling painting because of the lighting. So you can see we've got more lights in here now. Same amount of heat. We also dropped the walls down a little bit to give it a little bit more light coming in, because the last time it was pretty bad. So we'll catch you on the next video. Appreciate the support, and communism does suck.